Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope that all of you are well and taking preparation for your upcoming exam. According to your half-yearly syllabus, you need to learn from Unit 1 to 5. Today, I am going to discuss Unit 5, Lesson 5. After finishing this lesson, your EFT book will be finished. And I would like to suggest do practice all the related model questions from your Advanced Learner book. So let's begin today's class. Lesson 5. A Friend of the Earth. After finishing this lesson, you will be able to learn about the protection of our environment, the proper way of using our resources. You know, we have two types of resources. One is natural and the another one is man-made resources. Water, coal, fossil fuel, electricity are the resources. The role of recycling to protect our environment, the benefit of reusing things. So these all are the learning objectives of this lesson. What meaning? The first one is reduce. Reduce means decrease. The second one is consumer. Consumer means client or the user. Sustainable, able to be maintained at a certain rate or level. Disposed of means get rid of by throwing away. Donate means give money or goods for a good cause. Personal ads, personal advertisement. Recycle means convert into reusable material. Landfill is a place to dispose of refuse and other waste material. Trash means discarded matter. And the last one is durable, means stable or lasting. Now I am going to the text. Practice B. Read the following text carefully to know about how we can save our environment. Let's save our planet. Okay. Everyone must play a part in protecting the environment. There are many things you can do on your own every day to help save the planet. Here are some suggestions. We all are responsible to protect our environment, and here are some processing that we can use to protect our environment. The first one is reduce. Really, the best thing we can do for the planet is to use its resources properly. Our consumer society is mainly responsible for the environmental crisis. Here are some questions you can ask yourself before buying something. Do I really need this? Or is there another product which would do the same thing but is more sustainable? Or ask the question, will this last a long time? Okay. The best thing we can do for our planet to use resources properly. We should use our resources properly. We should utilize it. Before buying something, at first we should think over it whether it is necessary or not. Or ask the questions, will this last a long time? Some other questions may be, do I know how this item was made, how it will be used and how it will be disposed of? Okay, we should also learn how can we dispose something after using it. Dispose, throw away some material. Okay, the another one is reuse. What do you think of using your own ceramic cup or mug at your school or local club? It means there are no plastic cups to throw away. You can wash it and reuse it every day. Unfortunately, we are encouraged to buy a new improved item even if the one we have can be repaired or reused. Okay, we are encouraged to buy new things, improved things. Okay, but we have things that we can use by repairing it or reusing it. When we buy things, we should buy those that are durable. We should use them properly and have them repaired when necessary. Okay, if we practice this, many things will not only last a lifetime but also be passed on for future time. Okay, we should follow this process. We should think over it. How can we reuse it. However, if something is truly unusable for its original purposes, try to be more creative and think of how else it might be used. Okay, if you think that something that is unusable, just think over it. How can you use it? When you are done with it, when you already used it, when you already have used it, think over it. Think of whether someone else might be able to use it. Donate it to the poor. You may also sell some of your used items through personal ads in a local newspaper. So after using something, if you think that it is not necessary for you, just sell it by advertising in a local newspaper. You may do it. The last one is recycle. Recycle, convert something into reusable material. Rather than throwing an item out when neither you nor anyone else can make use of it, have it recycled. And if recycling is not possible, it is better to send goods to a landfill or have them burned up. You can throw it into a landfill or burn up. Find out what types of materials can be recycled in your area. Just you need to find out which items can be recycled. Clean and sort the materials before putting them out in the bin. Recycling your drink and food cans means there will be less trash in a resource recovery facility or landfill. Recycling your drink and food cans. Drink cans can be used by various companies for making new ones. Moreover, a company can use the old cans to make new ones. So, I have finished reading the text. Here you are seeing in practice there are 5 types of questions. Just think over it. In practice D, you can get about the idea of reduce, reuse and recycle. So these all are about this topic, and now I would like to finish today's lesson. In the next class I will be back with another portion of your syllabus. Till then, Allah Hafiz.